for those who are looking to buy a home, and for those of us that are in the field on a daily basis, we are seeing a shift in the market, or at least the beginning of a shift, if you call it that. We see price reductions almost across the board on all listings. We see less traffic in open houses, and for those of you looking for a home, you probably have noticed the same. When you go to an open house, you see maybe one or two couples in there versus when we would see like 20, 30 people in an open house in the past. And that's probably obvious why. We have had interest rates going up continuously. We start from April till now at 7.3 these days. We went even up to 7.5. That impacted the affordability for the buyers. And at the same time, inventory was low, and we've seen recently that inventory is starting to go up. When you look at the charts, you do see the impact of interest rate on demand and why we are at one of the lowest level on demand. And at the same time, the inventory has not gone up as much, but it has increased a bit. Having said that, what should we expect from here on? Basically, the way we see it is that the inventory is going to kind of go flat almost throughout the October, and in November and December we're going to see inventory go even lower because most people take their houses off the market. At the same time, as long as interest rate stays above 7%, we're going to see pressure on demand, and demand is going to be lower. Most economists predict interest rate is going to stay at these levels for a longer time before they start coming down. In other words, the economy needs to really slow down. We need to see inflation. What Fed's target is around 2% before they start easing on the interest rate and the rate goes down. So in the meantime, between now and when interest rate goes down, which I don't know when that's going to be, we are going to see pressure on the pricing. We're going to see a little bit higher inventory because there's going to be less and less demand as we go along at these levels of interest rate. The demand is going to go up once the interest rates go below 7%, get closer to 6%.